What's going on, everybody? It's Nico Moreno here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can create a link tree to start making more money on Instagram. Okay, I'm also going to show you exactly what a link tree is, because you may not know what it is already, and how you can actually use it all across the internet. So anywhere in social media like YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, even in your emails, on your blog, on your website, anything, right? Just most people happen to know Linktree in the context of Instagram. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it all, how to set one up that's super cool and works for you. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. Before we do that though, be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you receive any value from it. I would absolutely appreciate it. Also, let me know a comment down below. If you want to comment your Instagram handle down below, and then everyone who comes on here and comments down below, I'm going to go in, I'll check out your Instagram, and I'll give you a follow. All right, so go ahead and check that out. And yeah, let's go ahead and make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell. Trying to remember all the YouTube stuff to say. Cool, let's get into it. So first of all, what the heck is a link tree and why would you even want one in the first place? So I'm going to show you, here's mine that I just recently created. This is on my Instagram. That's the link tree. So what's going to happen is when somebody clicks this, they're going to be presented with a bunch of different links instead of just one, right? So this is the really cool thing. And I'll tell you exactly what this tool is and how to set this up for you in just a second. But this is the cool thing, right? Because with social media, specifically with Instagram, you only get one link, right? And so if you have multiple things that you may want to drive people to, you've got to keep switching out your link. And if you make, let's say you make a post on Instagram that says, click the link in my bio to get such and such free thing. And then if you ever change the link later, then that old post, it kind of won't make sense, right? People who want that old thing won't be able to find it, right? So this is what a link tree is all about, right? It allows you to have multiple different buttons here and give people just the option to take different actions and choose different things that they want from you, all with one easy link. So we'll see when I click the link tree here in my Instagram bio, what happens is people can actually do 5 different things, right? And you'll see here, so let's say people want this, they can click that, it'll open up in a new tab, and then they'll just be able to buy this thing here. And if they're like, hey, actually I want to check out a bunch of different things, right? If I want to do that, if I want to do that, they can just open them all, right? So it's actually so much better to have a link tree set up for you and your business, because then people can actually take multiple different actions, because not everyone's going to want the exact same thing, right? So that's the value and the importance of a link tree and what it actually looks like. So let me show you how to actually create one in here. So let me go back to home. So this is an amazing, oh dang, okay. Hold on, this is an amazing tool called MARKETERMAGIC. I absolutely love it. I recently did another video on it, so I'll probably link that somewhere above or below. And this actually has 6 different tools. I haven't even gotten into many of the others, except for Mini Leads, which I have a different video on, but Mini-Me is my second favorite. Actually, it might be my first favorite. So what Mini-Me is essentially a link tracker, a link splitter, a link shortener, and it also allows you to do the link tree. So we're not going to get too much into this other stuff, but I'm going to show you how to set up a link tree. Okay, so click on that, and you can actually create a bunch of different, so I have several link trees. So I have one is just at Nico, because I was the first Nico to do it. So I snagged that, which is pretty darn cool. And so we'll see here, you can actually create another link tree if you want to. And I have 2. So I have Nico, which is my main one. I'm going to be using that just for my own offers, okay? And what I mean by that, so the course, apply for my coaching, get this free lead magnet, get the templates, get the webinar training, agency training. Okay, so those are all things that are kind of for me. You can obviously do whatever you want to do, any sort of different strategy, but the reason that I created a separate one just for products that I recommend. So these are affiliate links of things that I have used and I love myself. And I'll explain a little bit more about the strategy on that. I'll be using this mostly for YouTube. But yeah, so this one has, what is this? Okay, so the tax bookkeeping thing that I use, and you both, you get a free month and I get a free month if you use this link. And I freaking love Bench, so I recommend that. Oh, this is another, recommending a software product here. Join One Funnel Away challenge. So a challenge that I really like and recommend. So all these things are like affiliate links, and I just decided to organize it that way. You could only have one. You could have like 5 different link trees if you want. In my head, it just made sense to have those 2. And so all you do to set one up is like and you can actually like come here and you can customize the handle, right? So I just picked Nico because it was available. So you could do your first name. Marketer Magic is still relatively new, so you might be able to actually just snag your first name. I didn't have to have a whole bunch of numbers after mine. So let's just save that. Ooh, which one is save? Okay. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Cool. So all you need to do, if you want to add like another link here, I'll show you how to do that. So you just do create. Super easy. You just paste whatever URL in here. So let's do google.com, create a link. And then you can just name like whatever you want the button to actually say. So click here to answer any question for free. Cool. So then it's there. Oh wait, that didn't, strange. Okay, so that did not save. So click here to answer all your questions for free. Okay, save. Cool. See, so then it's saved, and then what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you, let's actually go to the link tree again. Where did it go? And then I'll show you it's updated the button. So now it says click here to answer all your questions for free. And when you click it, it'll open up Google. And there you go, that's it. And the cool thing is you can actually go down here and you can see all the analytics of how many people have clicked it. So my guess is that I'll have to like reload the page, but it should show like 1 in here, okay? And that's it. So you can also edit this, or you can archive the link too if you like don't want it to show anymore, which I obviously don't want that one to be there anymore. So just archive that, update it, and then I'll show you guys again. Let's see if it went away. Yeah, so now it's not there anymore. Cool, so that's it. That's all you need to do to create an awesome link tree for your business, for your Instagram, and you can create multiple different ones if you want. I'm also gonna leave a link down to this software. It's $47 per month, but you can actually get a free 7-day trial when you use my link, so it's completely free. And it is an affiliate link, so I'll receive an affiliate commission if you decide to stay on after the free trial. But honestly, I love this tool so much. It is 100% worth it. So I highly, highly recommend it, and I hope you guys enjoy it too. So let me know what you think down in the video, or down in the comments down below. And yeah, definitely leave your Instagram handle down below if you want to get some other people here on the video to check you out, right? So let's all follow each other. Let's help each other out. There's more than enough good stuff out there in the world for everybody. All right, thanks so much, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please hit subscribe to continue receiving more free content from me, and I will see you guys next time.